welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am April Sunny. As some of you may know, I have been trying all sorts of different products and tools throughout 2021. You know, I even took it back to the old school sponge rollers, just to find a simpler technique to get the style without the damage. Through this new year, I'm definitely going to be more selective about the products and tools I actually use on my hair. You guys know I cut my hair. That happened. Out with the old, in with the new. So I'm really excited to partner with WrapCurl STEAMPLEX using their MoistureStyler Wave Maker to show you guys how I achieve these gorgeous waves while increasing my softness, sealing my cuticles, hydrating my hair, smoothing my frizz, and ultimately retaining my length, which is always our goal, right? So WrapCurl STEAMPLEX sent me 2 kits. This video, I'm gonna use both kits. Bonus, the founder and CEO, Miss Natasha, is one of our very own relaxed hair babes. So she fully knows and understands what our hair needs because she has gone through the struggles that we've all gone through, and some of us are still going through. So her coming up with this innovative technology, mind-blowing. With that being said, I had very high expectations and it didn't disappoint. If you'd like to see a full tutorial on how to use the MoistureStyler kits, then definitely keep on watching.
Okay guys, so the very first thing we're going to do is check out the contents in this box so we know what we are working with and how to use it. First up, we have very detailed instructions on how to heat the rollers. We also have a spray bottle that you can add water to, a hair clip, as well as the heating pod with 4 rollers already in it, and the other 4 are in the packaging box. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add my water to my water bottle, and we're opening up the MoistureStyler Wave Maker. Off to the microwave. Okay, so I'm placing my pod in the microwave. I'm unsure of my wattage, so I'm going to try it on 60 seconds and test it out. It doesn't seem to have any steam, so we're going to do another 60 seconds because if you look at the instructions, it states to do that. And it looks like I have a weak wattage microwave. Didn't know it now. This technology allows you to use low heat and moisture to create your waves and curls. So I'm excited to get started. You see that steam? Oh, that's what we're looking for. Okay, those that have missed my last video, don't be shocked. I cut my hair. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and part my hair the way I'd like to wear it and do a little zigzag parting in the back, giving me a right and left section to work with. However, the zigzag parting is optional. You can certainly part your hair down the center, working in right and left sections. Okay, so I'm going to take my first subsection, mist it with water. You don't want to soak your hair, you just want to rehydrate it a little bit. Then take one roller, lift the compression band, place your hand through the band and hold the roller. Wrap it just as you would a flexi rod and slide the compression band over the wrap section and then repeat in the other sections. So I completed that side and I heated up my next 4 rollers for the left side. Just wanted to show you guys how much moisture you're putting back into your hair. So how does it work? Anti-frizz tourmaline beads release negative ions that encourage the hair's cuticles to lay flat, reducing frizz and increasing shine. Mineral bead technology soaks up the moisture in the air, fusing your hair with hydration to combat frizz. And lastly, the compression band compresses the hair to seal raised cuticles and lock in moisture for softness and shine. If you've used a flexi rod before, this will move so much faster than that because the compression band kind of helps you like lock it into place and move on to the next section so quickly. I know some of you may be wondering if I put any styling products in my hair beforehand. No, I did not. The only thing I used was the leave-in conditioners I used after shampooing and deep conditioning my hair. This is the next morning from that, and I am spraying my hair with water. Yes, it's a little different for me, but I wanted to follow the instructions thoroughly so I can see the results for myself. And this is what it looks like when all 8 rollers are in. Okay, so I let my roller set for about 25 minutes and I'm ready to take down. Girl, look at the bounce and the shine, like I'm shocked. As you can see, takedown is a breeze. I had 0 hair fallout when taking these down. And usually when I'm taking down my flexi rods, I do have some form of breakage. You guys, I can literally rake my fingers through my hair. My hair is so fluffy soft. I don't even like, I'm shocked. You guys, I'm really shocked. Not that I needed it or it was necessary, I decided to lay these edges. I really need to leave them alone, but this is the final look, you guys. Wow. Infused moisture, check. Condition, check. Softness, check. Hydration, check. Girl, everything's a check. Moving on to the Curls and Wave Moisture Styler. Everything in the packaging is the same except the style of the roller. It's shorter and also it has like flaps on it, but I heated it the exact same way. Okay, so 7 days later, my hair is freshly shampooed. As you can see, I have parted my hair down the center. My hair is only blown dry. I'm going to work in my right and left sections. You can curl it from the top or you can start at the bottom. I'm going to start at the bottom because I want a cute, bouncy, tight curl. And as previously shown, there is 4 rollers for each side, so totaling 8 rollers. Okay, so I left this in for about 30 minutes and you guys see that curl, right? Again, this was done on freshly shampooed and deep conditioned hair, and all I did was blow dry my hair and apply the rollers. I absolutely adore these bouncy, shiny, beautiful curls. But you guys know I love a side part, so that's what I did, and I like it. What do you think? So 2 days later, my hair is a little weighed down with coconut oil, but I'm going to use the same set of rollers that I just used to curl my hair. I'm going to use it to wave my hair. As I said, I do have coconut oil in my hair from the night before, but I'm still going to spray my hair with water just to follow the directions. I actually let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes under the recommended time because I was running out of time. So we're going to go ahead and take these down, and actually my rollers are still pretty warm. But my goodness, look at that shine. I wish I had more time for my hair to set because I think the curls would have been tighter, but I love the wave as it is. It's so pretty. And the waves previous last that entire day, so I do believe these would last as well. So I'm just going to pull them apart a little bit to give myself some volume without disrupting the curl. You can kind of like just shake it loose like I'm doing here. Do you see the shine? I'm so excited to know that going into 2022, I have a technique that's bulletproof, that's going to give me everything my relaxed hair is going to need. I have moisture, shine, body, curls, waves, you name it, I got it. I had so much fun learning a healthier way to take care of my relaxed hair that I am definitely taking with me into the new year. All of the links are in the description box down below. Have you tried WrapCurl STEAMPLEX Moisture Styler? If so, leave a comment down below. And until next time, be loved.